Hi guys, I'm Layla and in this video I would like to share with you about animal in art. And animals are of course normal and simple objects around us. We all know. And we even have pets like cat and dog. So how do people draw them in paintings? First, about animal shapes. Animals are different from people. Animals can't talk, but they can do many other things. Some animals can run faster than people. Most birds and insects can fly. Cats can also climb trees better than people. And there are some drawings of a cat and there's a drawing of a cat and a dog by Leonardo da Vinci. He was born in Florence, now in Italy. He wanted to show an animal shape when it does different things. The dog is sitting, the cat is washing. Their shapes are interesting because they're different from ours. There is also a painting by a Korean artist called Byeong Sang-byuk. It shows two cats. The cats are not friends and they look like enemies with each other and they're fighting. The artist shows this in their shapes. He used gray and black inks for the cats to show their fur. And in the picture, their fur is nice and soft. Many artists draw pictures of animals because their shapes are interesting and beautiful. Do you know that sometimes when artists paint animals, they first do a fast drawing, then later they look at their drawing and do their painting more slowly. And in my opinion, I think they have to use this kind of technique because the animals move every time. They're not human, so we cannot tell them to stop. They make first a very fast sketching, and later they're gonna look at it, at colors and how it's look like to finish the drawing. So we have learned a great thing about animal shape. And the next one, I would like to share with you about some oldest picture of animal. How do they look like? So after we understand the shape of them, let's talk about some oldest animal picture. Well, a long time ago, people lived in caves. They had no paper, so they painted animals on the walls of their caves. In a cave in Spain, there's an amazing painting of a bison. Well, that painting is about 15,000 years old. And do you know that a girl named Maria Sanz de Soltola discovered the cave painting at Altamira in 1879? She was only 9 years old and she was in the cave with her father. And why is this amazing? Well, I think because there was no archaeologist who found out that fact, maybe. And there are also other beautiful paintings. One is about giraffes and other animals in some caves in Libya. They are not at all at the cave painting in Spain, but they are interesting because they show changes in our world. When people did these paintings about 8,000 years ago, there were giraffes and trees in this part of Africa. Now it's a desert. And in the Nazca Desert in Peru, you can see amazing pictures of animals. But you have to be in a plane. About 2,000 years ago, people drew giant pictures on the ground. They drew monkey, birds, and spiders. Some of these paintings and pictures are bigger than a playground. So what do you think about this? Tell me, okay? Bye.